Hello everyone, respected sir. Myself Tejashree and my roll number is 234G1A04B6. I am from ECE B section in SRIT College, Anantapur. So I am looking forward to you explain about the topic of malloc function which is from the subject of Introduction to Programming, and the subject code is 23 CSE 101. Here the concepts in the malloc functions. Introduction about malloc function, syntax for malloc function, why void pointer, why malloc function is used, why dynamic malloc function, program on malloc function, uses of malloc function, and finally conclusion. Introduction about malloc function. Malloc function is the short name for the memory allocation and is used to dynamically allocate a single large block of continuous memory according to the size specified. Malloc is a built-in function declared in the header file stdlib.h. Malloc function simple allocate a memory block according to the size specified in the heap, and on success it returns a pointer pointing to the first byte of the allocated memory, else returns null. Syntax for malloc function. Void pointer. Malloc open parenthesis size t size close parenthesis. Size t is defined in stdlib.h as unsigned int. Example, array is equals to int pointer malloc open parenthesis 5 pointer size of int close parenthesis semicolon. Malloc function is a built-in function declared when in the header file stdlib.h. Here this is the syntax for malloc function. See the figure. Int pointer is equals to int pointer malloc open parenthesis 5 pointer size of int. See the size of int is 4 bytes. Here pointer means ptr is equals to a large 20 bytes memory block is dynamically allocated to ptr. Here the ptr memory is 20 bytes. Why void pointer? Malloc does not have an idea of what is to pointing to. It merely allocates memory requested by the user without knowing the type of data to stored inside the memory. The void pointer can be typecasted to an appropriate type. Int pointer is equals to int pointer malloc 4. Here 4 is the 4 bytes of size. Malloc allocates 4 bytes of memory in the heap, and the address of the first byte is stored in the pointer ptr. Why malloc is used? The main reason to use malloc function in C to dynamically memory at runtime. This is particularly valuable when the size of the required memory is not known at compile time or when it needs to be determined during program execution. Dynamic memory allocates provides flexibility and allows for efficient use of resources in various scenarios. Malloc function allocates a specified number of bytes of memory and returns a pointer to the beginning of that block. Dynamic malloc function. The process of allocating memory of the time of execution is called the dynamic memory allocation. This occurs at runtime. Memory is allocated on the heap during the execution of the program using functions like malloc function. This allows for flexibility as the size and quantity of memory can be determined during runtime. For example, int pointer dynamic array is equals to int pointer malloc open parenthesis 10 pointer size of int closed parenthesis and semicolon. Here the program of dynamic memory allocation. Here see include stdio.h and include stdlib.h. Int main int row is equals to 5 call means column is equals to 4. Int pointer a is equals to int pointer malloc open parenthesis row pointer call pointer size of int means int size is 4 bytes and close parenthesis semicolon. Int I is a. Here I is equals to 0, I less than row, I plus plus. When the condition is true, entering into the loop, j is equals to 0, j less than call and j increment. Here the process is running. Next printf, the array elements are next entering into the loop, I is equals to 0, I less than row, I increment. And then entering into the loop, j is equals to 0, j less than column, j plus plus. Hence, it becomes a false. Printf percentage d pointer of a plus I pointer col plus j close parenthesis semicolon and finally printf free of a. Here the output.